I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device to Samsung Pay is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your new device. Make sure you're logged in with your Samsung account. Step 2. Set up payment methods. Tap on payment methods to add your credit or debit cards. You can either scan your card or enter the details manually. Step 3. Verify your cards. After adding your cards, you'll need to verify them. This usually involves receiving a code via SMS or email from your bank. Step 4. Enable NFC. Make sure that NFC near-field communication is turned on in your device settings. This is essential for making contactless payments. Step 5. Test your setup. Try making a small purchase at a store that accepts Samsung Pay. If it doesn't work, double-check that NFC is enabled and your cards are verified. If you follow these steps, you should be all set to use Samsung Pay on your new device. Happy shopping!